you are ugly, don't come to the rave. This is the rave. Yes, man, this is the rave. Every hot girl brawling, bare face. This is the rave. Alright, ready now? Let's say this thing is in standard English. So, suppose she did I get this song. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ty here, back with another video for you all. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. If you're not, hit the like button and comment on the video. Now let's do this intro again for the Jamaicans. Yo, what go on people, your boy Ty there, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. As me I say, if you're new, subscribe, like, comment, all them good stuff there. As me I say, yard man there. Anyways guys, now this video is me singing some Jamaican dancehall songs. Singing dancehall songs in standard English, or trying to. Now, first on the agenda, not going to waste any time, you understood? We have Vybz Kartel Rave right here. And I choose mostly Vybz Kartel. I'm going to do like 2 to 3 Vybz Kartel songs. Based on how you guys like the video, I will do some more. So the support a boy, support a Jamaican channel guys. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and comment on the video guys. You understand? I'm there, brother. Anyways, let's get straight to it. Like the video. Rave. See how well can I do. Y'all know there. If you don't know Rave, I'm gonna play it first, then I'm gonna try to rephrase it. So Rave. Yeah, I'm saying, girl, I serenade, set me cool and refreshing like lemonade. I say go. What you go? Just a little touch and them a celebrate. Just a little touch and them a celebrate. Alright. So, do the first part there. Now. So the man say, girl, I serenade, set me cool and refreshing like lemonade. How much can do that? Alright. Listen to me. Ready for this? So, Vybz Kartel Rave. Alright. Girl, I serenade, saying I'm cool and refreshing like lemonade. Just a little touch, and them. Him said them. Alright, ready? Hold on. Girl, I serenade. Is an English word, people. So, girl, I serenade, saying I am cool and refreshing like lemonade. Just a little touch, and them I celebrate. Yeah. We get that. When the rest I chose. Yeah, serenade, some cool and refreshing like lemonade. See, girl, I serenade, saying I'm cool and refreshing like lemonade. Just a little touch, and them I celebrate. Alright, next part right now. You feel able to do that? I feel like I do that well. Listen. Girl, I serenade, saying I'm cool and refreshing like lemonade. Just a little touch, and them I celebrate. Long piece of wood for your... Oh, pause. Alright, ready. Rest. Next part, Eve. Next part. Sad. Man say pause. She did I get this in there. Jesus Christ. What? How am I going to say that in English? Pine. Clean to my step like pine sol. Alright, so the man said, poor she did I get the summer every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hole. Wait. She said me bright. Miss a light bulb. Plus me clean to my step like pine sol. What the hell is pine sol? Is pine sol you must say? So, anyways, poor she did I get the summer every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hole. She said me bright, miss a light bulb. Plus me clean to me step like pine sol. Jesus Christ. Alright, ready now? Let's say this thing is in standard English. So, suppose she did I get this song. Hold on. Power back. Rewind. Suppose she was getting something every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hole. She says I'm bright. Alright, ready. Hold on. Suppose she was getting something every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hold. She say, she say. Anyways, fall back. Alright, so this is gonna. Alright, so suppose she was getting something every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hole. She said, this part ever catch me, yo. This part always a catch me. This part always a catch me. Anyways, ready back. So, suppose she was getting something every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hole. She's saying I'm bright. I said light bulb. Plus I'm clean to my step like pine sol or pine sol. What the hell is pine sol? I don't know this, yo. I don't know this. But anyways, so inside English, suppose she was getting something every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hole. She's saying I'm bright. I said pine. I said light bulb. It's confusing. It's very confusing. Hold on. Me listen back what you say. Hold on. Alright, see here now. See here now. This is what I say. Sitting every day, long piece of wood for your tight wall. Bars now your mouth, girl, bite dog. She's so bright, Miss a light bulb. Bars now your mouth. Backside. Alright. Suppose she was getting something every day. Long piece of wood for your tight hole. Balls in your mouth, girl, bite down. Plus, I'm clean to my step like pine sol. Ooh, I got it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like put it together and sing it out. Put it together, me saying them in the verses in standard English. Yeah. Alright. Alright, now here comes the chorus. Are the choruses? Or whatever I want to be. Whatever I want to be. We are going through right now. Let's go. So. Girl, if you're ugly, don't come at the area, this at the area. Yeah, man, this at the area. Every hot girl, brawling, bare face, this at the area. Yeah, man, this at the area. This is gonna be challenging. Alright, ready? It seems like I'm gonna get to do one song, yo. This is gonna be like a whole series, you know. Alright. Girl, if you are ugly, don't come at the area. Is an English word. Is not patois. Is not Jamaican patois. Is an English word. Girl, if you're ugly, girl, if you are ugly, don't come to the rave. This is the rave. Don't come to the rave. Every hot girl out here, their face. This is the rave. Yeah, girl. Yeah, man. No, I can't say yeah. Oh, you say yeah, man. Say yeah, man. Yes, man. Yes, sir. This is the rave. Wait, ready. Girl, if you are ugly, don't come to the rave. This is the rave. Yes, man. Yes, sir. Come again. Girl, if you are ugly, don't come to the rave. This is the rave. Yes, ma'am. This is the rave. Oh gosh. Ready? Girl, if you are ugly, don't come to the rave. This is the rave. Yes, ma'am. This is the rave. Ever hot girl, brawling, bare face. This is the rave. Yeah, man. This is the rave. Yeah, man. Yes, man. It's like say, yeah, man. Jesus, guy. It's like the pastor that's there in my head, yo. The pastor that's there in my head. Alright, ready, but sexy though. Anyways, ready back. So listen, girl, if you are ugly, do- girl, if you are ugly, don't come to their rave. Don't come to their rave. This is their rave. Yes, man. This is their rave. Every hot girl, brawling, bare face. This is their rave. Yes, man. This is their rave. I'ma put all of them together. Trust me. Listen, girl, if you are ugly, don't come to their rave. This is their rave. Yes, man. This is their rave. Every hot girl, brawling, bare face. This is their rave. Yes, man. This is their rave. Get them. We get them. This is their rave. Brawling, bare face. This is their rave. Listen. Ah boy, we don't feel. I want to see what the video go from. See there? The video gone over brawling amount. Guys, if you guys want me to do more videos like this, just like the let's touch the like button right now. You understand me? And let me know so I actually enjoy. It's been about that time, guys. It's been about that time. Subscribe, comment. You understand? Alright, now if you do, comment the songs you want me to do in standard English. Comment songs for me to sing in standard English, guys. It's been about that time.